If you've watched the first few videos in this playlist, you already know that AI in your business isn't ChatGPT having a chat with you. It isn't a custom GPT. It's actually using Claude Cowork to help you to do the work. The question now is what to build, in what order, and how do I do it without getting stuck? So I've got a 90-day plan that I'm going to walk you through. Now, I picked 90 days because in 30 days, most people get burnt out if they have to do too much. Not 6 months, because 6 months you lose momentum. 90 days is enough time to build something that's real and it keeps your business running while you do it. So we're going to do it in 4 phases. Phase 1 is cleaning your data. So before AI can help you in any way, all of your data needs to live in one place. So Airtable is what I use. It could be something else, could be Notion, could be Google Sheets, whatever it is that works for you. You need to have that one source of truth for the AI to reference. So you want to move any tasks that you have outstanding, any content, products, any resources, finances, your customer list, everything into one place. Don't try to make it perfect, just make it complete. So just fill everything out. Make sure that AI can come in and it can find the information. That's basically it. Now, this phase won't feel like progress, but trust me, it is. So if you can have all of your brand images in one place, that just speeds up so many things. So AI can then use it to create things. It can find it as well. So don't think about it as being a waste of time, because it is like creating a central hub for everything, and everything will be able to access it, find it, and use it in other parts of your business. And so it actually speeds up your business so much when it's all in that one place. Then phase 2 is going to be building one skill. So what I want you to do is pick the most repetitive task that you do every week. For most people, that's content. So planning, writing emails, creating carousels, anything like that you do all of the time, that is where you want to start. So you want to build one Claude skill that does that for you. You want to then use it for 2 weeks every day or every week. And you want to adjust it and make tweaks to it. So update the skill as things aren't working properly. So you could say, this is good, but I really want it to include this. And you have a final check step at the end, all those sorts of things. Update it into Claude, tell it to update the skill, and it'll go and do it for you. So once you actually have it working, you start to feel a bit of a shift once you get to this phase. And this is when you start to think AI in your business can actually help you. It's not abstract, it's something that's real, and it's something that's going to really impact your business and speed things up, so you're not bogged down on things that are just repetitive and you can palm off. So phase 3 is going to be from days 46 to 75, and it's going to be adding a second skill. So just like the first one, you're going to pick the next most repetitive thing that you do. You're going to build a skill for that. You're going to use it for 2 weeks. And now you're running 2 important skills in your business that are speeding up how everything is going. That's already more than 90% of online businesses are using AI. If you're committing to this for the 90 days, comment below and let me know. I want to know who is coming for this journey. So phase 4 is actually from days 76 to 90. So it's the final phase. And it's going to sound boring because it's automating the boring parts. Basically, you're going to be connecting the pieces. So you schedule what can be scheduled, you automate what can be automated, and this is where things like make.com come in really handy. By day 90, you'll have a back office that runs whether you're there or not, and that's really important. So repetitive tasks are starting to be done. You're automating any other tasks that you can get off your plate. Now, I know that people are going to say, but I'm no good at automating. And that's fine, because now AI can help you with that too. So what you can do is you can go into Claude Code or Claude Cowork and you can say, this is what I want to automate in my business. Can you help me to map it out? And then we could create it in make.com. And it can actually help you and go through all of that with you. It can actually create the blueprints that work. If it doesn't work, so it will actually go through and test it itself, and it will troubleshoot and fix things. Now, the one thing you don't want to do is just let it run and not check anything. So let it go, let it create everything, let it do a test run. But then for the next week, every time that automation runs, you want to be checking it. So even if it's once a day, you go in and you check to make sure that everything is working properly and there's no error messages. If there are errors, flag it to Claude Cowork and get it to have a look for you, and it can fix it. But just making sure you stay on top of those, especially in the early stages, if you're not familiar with automations, is really important, because other things can fall apart and we don't want that. So you just want to stay on top of that. So what can you expect from this? You're probably going to hit some walls. Your skills probably won't work the first time, or if they do, something's just not quite right. Your Airtable or your system might need restructuring. It might not do everything that it needs to be able to do, and that's fine too. It just needs adjusting as you go. It's completely normal. It's all part of the work. You just need to keep going with it, because the thing on the other side of this is worth it. And that's what I want you to remember, is that you're moving forwards with AI. You're building it into your business, so there are going to be hiccups. There are going to be little glitches that you need to fix along the way. It's not going to work perfectly, but overall, it's going to work a lot better than you doing it manually. It's going to learn and improve as you go along. And so it is going to get to that standard that you need it to be at. You just need to keep training it until you get there. So that's the plan for the next 90 days. Now, if you don't want to go on this journey alone, I do have a membership that I've launched, and you are more than welcome to come and join that, and I can walk you through the whole process. I can show you exactly how to set everything up, and you can grab my skills and just implement them in your business. So if that works for you, I will leave a link in the comments and in the description as well, so if you want to check that out. But other than that, either way, you now have a map for the next 90 days. So working with me just fast tracks that. But if you want to go it alone and build this yourself, go for it. Build it out over the next 90 days. You won't regret it.